Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Today we're going to be making some Copycat Raising Cane's chicken tenders. So let's get started. So I took my chicken tenders, I marinated them in a mixture of milk, 1 cup of milk, and I added salt and pepper, and I added 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. And so that's the mixture. Okay, so I'm going to dip it into this flour mixture of 1 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs, and 1/2 cup of regular breadcrumbs, salt and pepper, and onion powder. Okay, so here, let's get started. I'm going to take our chicken. We're going to dip it while our grease is getting hot. It's not hot yet. It's getting there. But meanwhile, we're just going to get our chicken ready to go. So let me grab a pan that I can put the chicken on. Put the chicken on this pan right here as I make it. And you just coat all of your chicken pieces. Shake it off a little bit. Okay, go do the next one, and so on and so on. So you get the gist of that part. Okay, now that we got all of our chicken well coated, as you can see here, we're going to start frying it. So what I forgot to tell you is that I marinated the chicken in that milk mixture for about an hour. That helps the chicken to stay crispy on the outside and nice and juicy on the inside. So we're going to do 3 pieces at a time because this is a small fryer. Just going to do 3 pieces at a time. We'll let that cook and we'll pull it out and show you what it looks like. Okay, and then you end up with chicken that looks like that, golden brown. So we're going to just put these over to the side, and then we're going to fry up some more. 1, 2, and 3 more pieces. I want you to see how good and juicy that is. You know, crispy on the outside and good and juicy on the inside. So that's what the results, what you're looking for. Okay, I think these are ready. These are ready to come out. Yep, those are golden brown to perfection. You're gonna take those out and fry up some more. For the sauce, you take 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon of vinegar, and salt and pepper, and garlic powder. And you're going to mix that together. Trying to hold this and mix it at the same time is almost impossible, but I'm trying to do it. I'm going to mix it and I'm going to come back. Okay, so we have the sauce ready to go. We've got our chicken tenders, Copycat Raising Cane's chicken tenders. Don't they look delicious? All right, got that. And we got our waffle fries, just like they have at Raising Cane's and other places. So Chick-fil-A. Also, I'm going to pair this with my homemade pickles. I made these cucumbers came from my garden. They've been in my refrigerator for about a year, so they're going to be nice and ready to eat. So thank you guys for tuning to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. These tenders are delicious, y'all. Very delicious.